can you please tell us about yourselves and Center of Excellence for Khadi?
Hi, I'm Shratika, and I am Manager of Branding and Marketing at Center of Excellence for Khadi. It's a joint initiative between KVIC, which is Khadi India Village Commission, and NIFT. So basically, KVIC and NIFT both were on the same page to modernize Khadi and to make the aesthetic appeal more relevant for current audiences and consumers. Hence, COEK has been constantly working towards encouraging and enhancing the brand aesthetic of Khadi and product production planning, team training, and enhancing the quality of the products, and also the retail presentation and e-commerce presentation. So the team has been working since past 3 years, and here it goes.
What are the business risks associated with relying on low-cost labor in fast fashion?
So fast fashion is something that is very much in craze these days, but and for consumers it is always a whimsical condition because it is associated with low cost products. So customers are happy, but if we go on the other page and consider from the business organization's point of view, so they have to pay the cost of low labor, which comes with inhuman working conditions, longer hours. Certainly it's fast fashion, so it's not environment friendly, so environmental degradation point of view is there. And also fast fashion is somewhere taking us away from our traditional roots. Hence anything that is fast fashion for a business organization, it costs reputation, it costs your working atmosphere, and also it is putting you away from your culture. So something that is cost effective is taking a toll on the reputation and I would say the approach of an organization. So it's fragile and it's not sustainable for a longer run.
Can Khadi production help improve livelihood in rural areas if it becomes a mainstream brand?
So Khadi's ecosystem is all about rural India and villagers. From spinners to weavers to artisans, everybody belongs to the village community. And so any economic boost in Khadi production or revenue generation is directly proportional to the conditions and to the economic growth of the rural part of India, because they are the people who are the end creators, the artisans who will be affected from it the most. So a meter of a khadi brings in meaningful business to the artisans. So any encouragement is always positive for the economic growth of the villagers and the rural the spinners, the artisans, and the craftsmen.
Ma'am, have you seen examples where traditional Khadi aesthetics have been modernized successfully for today's market and for fast fashion also?
Luckily, at COEK, we are seeing this shift every day. We keep on participating in exhibitions and we keep on conducting fashion shows, where we are seeing a lot of designers now taking active participation in modernizing Khadi. So modernizing Khadi means making it more meaningful for today's generation. You take it, I mean, from structured jackets to quads and even kids wear. We recently presented a kids wear collection in Vadodara, and we have recently presented an upcycle collection made of katran, which is extremely sustainable to fashion weeks of Moscow and Lakme in Mumbai. So, and we received a phenomenal response from the audiences. So certainly the shift is happening, and COEK, I mean the Center of Excellence, is constantly working in making the styles more wearable and more presentable, where you are also connected to your traditions and yet it is modern.
Ma'am, do you think Khadi will cope up the fast fashion?
I think Khadi has its own narrative where it is not competing with itself from fast fashion. Khadi is something that is classic, and khadi has stayed, is a part of our culture. It's not a craze like fast fashion. Fast fashion is a craze. It's a temporary phase. It might last for longer. It might just fade away. But khadi has proved itself since times of Gandhiji, and it's yet relevant. Khadi does not have to establish itself. So khadi has its own ability to be slow and yet be present always. So I don't think khadi is in the league of also competing, because it's way ahead. It's more sustainable. It's slower and it's stable. So there's no I think competition, or there's no way khadi can be fast fashion.
Is the khadi sector is ready for infrastructure wise or to support large and faster production demands from the brands or any companies?
COEK, as a part of us, we have been working towards scaling khadi, and then only, I mean, if the productions can be scaled, then only we can look out for more revenue generation and better economic condition of the creators. I mean the artisans and the craftsmen. We are working towards scaling not only the presentation but also the availability of khadi products. So be it a new e-commerce portal, to retail presentation, to scaling up the production, to enhancing and qualifying the quality of stitching or the quality of designs. So we are working in all the aspects from where a consumer can reach us, and we can make khadi available. And certainly it is slowly and stably it is reaching there, and a lot has been done in the past 3 years, and a lot the planning is still on, and the team is working over it. So I think we are good, and we are happy that we are associated with something that in the craze era of fast fashion is growing slowly and stably and sustainably. So we are proud of it.
In India, the khadi is established. What do you think about the global market for the khadi?
So we have recently pitched and we are working towards our global presentation. So we are in conversation with the government of Thailand, and we want to have a store in Bangkok. So Center of Excellence is also creating designs that is suitable for global market. So that's where we say that we are keeping the traditional roots intact along with modernizing our designs and bringing the aesthetics in relevance to the modern page, which was a challenge for khadi. I mean, khadi was the way it is before we intervened. So design interventions is being done, and we are creating designs, and we are working on the brand presentation where khadi is not only it becomes relevant for Indian audience but also for the global audience. So if you see, sustainability is something that is too much in trend, and everybody is working towards it. So that is why sustainability as a brand is also our biggest USP. So we are holding on to that, and with our pace and with a very stable pace, we are going to very soon we will be capturing the global audiences as well.
What message would you give to consumers who want to support both fast fashion and tradition?
So whenever we are wearing anything, we must ask a question like, who made our cloth? If there is a name, if there is a face, and if there is a story, then certainly that merchandise is somewhere connected to our traditions. And wearing khadi gives you an opportunity where you stay rooted, and still you are supporting a product that's uplifting, that's helping the planet, and that's also supporting the people who are creating that fabric, giving them a better position from what they were. So certainly wearing khadi is not only sustainable for the environment, but it is also uplifting for the people who are working behind it, and it's also very and we with design intervention is also trying to make it stylish. So you are becoming stylish by yet being connected with your roots. So that is I choose khadi.
Thank you.
Thank you.